Hi, and welcome. Because we grow up with animation and it's just there, it has a kind of a magical quality that we never really question, because as kids, animation is part of our lives. So we don't really think about the idea that animation is actually somebody's job. When I was a kid, I loved animation and I loved to draw. And I remember when I was 12, I thought, I really want to see my drawings come to life. I want to be an animator. But I had no idea where to even begin. And there was not a lot of information about animation at that time. What I didn't know was that this brilliant book came out at around the same time. And in it were, for the first time, most of the secrets of the Disney animation process. But I had no idea that that was there, and I only found this book about 10 years later. But that's all changed because now we have the internet, and there's just so much stuff out there about animation for you to explore. In fact, there's almost too much stuff. And the tricky thing now is for an aspirant animator to sort through it all and to find the right stuff. And that's what this course is all about. Unboxing Animation is a 5-part course designed to unpack animation as a career. You're going to hear from the pros about the different opportunities in the field of animation, and also get some insight into what you can do now while you're still in school to develop your skills and your talents for a career in animation. You're going to be introduced to the basics of storytelling and storyboarding, and also do some animation exercises so that you can work out what it's like to actually animate. And when you're done, you should know whether animation is the right path for you. The great thing is there are no grades on this course. So there's no passing or failing. What you put in is what you're going to get out. The other great thing is that it's free and it's just for you. We want you to get the most out of it. Part of what you're going to have to do is interact with other artists here on the Triggerfish Academy platform. Interestingly, this is going to prepare you for a career in animation. Why? Because animation is a very collaborative industry. It's lots of artists working together on one thing. So share your work and comment on other people's work. Everyone has different strengths and weaknesses, so try to help your classmates. Whether you're giving creative feedback or technical feedback, try to remember always to think of something positive to say before you give your critical notes. It makes it much easier for the other artist to hear about something good that they've done before they have to deal with the things that they've done wrong. And you're going to feel that too when you get critique. And one other thing, let's play nice. Be positive, don't be salty or toxic. That's for you gamers out there. What we're doing is helping one another and learning to work as a team. Ready? Let's get started.